Hello everyone, my name is Annette Rubalcaba. I'll be introducing yoga for people that have arthritis. Before getting started, I like to recommend talking to your physician about if this is okay to start doing. And while you are starting to do yoga, while you're having arthritis, please take your time and do as much as you can. Take breaks in between and do not forget to stay hydrated. So we're going to start by doing breathing exercises, standing up straight, relaxing our arms on our side, hands on top of our thighs. And if you would like, you can take off your shoes to feel a little bit more comfortable. Next, we'll be doing the cat and cow stretch, which is we'll be inhaling by arching our back, holding it for about 2 to 3 seconds, and then exhaling, putting our head up high and stretching it out. And again, one more time. Now the next would be stretching out our shoulders, rolling back our shoulders backwards. Take your time on that for a couple of more times, and then now we're going to rotate it forward. Do as many as you can, and again, take your time on that. Now we'll just reach up into the air and look up for about a few seconds, and then to bring down our arms, putting it back on top of our thighs. And now we're going to do a seated twist. Now don't forget to inhale and exhale. It's very important to remind yourselves to keep breathing while during these exercises. That way we are still working on our core and still keeping our posture straight. And again, do a couple of those, and now we're going to bring up our knees to our chest, holding it for 3 to 5 seconds. If you cannot hold it more than just 1 second, that's fine. Just as long as you can try to keep your knees up to your chest. And that's it. Thank you for watching.